Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about weekly stock market update, and we will figure out is it bull trend or bearish reversal signal, what's going on with the stock market world on weekly time frame. Let's move as usually to 5 rules of risk management. Please read it and follow it every single trade and you will be successful. Now it's a time for trading view. Let's start from stock market heat map, right? All USA companies let's start from daily time frame based on the market cap, daily performance. Looks like it's a mixed mode, red, green, gray. Let's now check weekly. Weekly, it is a lot of red. Still Nvidia green, Cisco, Oracle. Not many greens, right? Not many. Generally, technology red. Finance red, a lot of red, consumer services red, a lot of production manufacturing red, everything, all sectors red, right? All sectors red, except like energy kind of flat and red, but a lot of red weekly. And that's all. Let's move to my watch list and do technical analysis review based on the weekly time frame. Before start, let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using moving averages, simple moving averages. If you want to learn more about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup training and other links about all my trainings. I'm using simple moving averages: white line SMA 200, yellow line SMA 20, green line SMA 5, red line SMA 10. MACD indicator, RSI indicator yellow line, and Heikanaichi bars. That's all. Very simple. And it's not easy because emotions involved, but if you follow the indicators, you will be successful. Let me tell you how it works. Look at it. Red circle, right? Sell signal from the script. MA5 green line did bearish crossover over 10. For me, it's entry position for the short. Blue line, it's my stop protection in case I could lose one bar, and at the same time I had ability to gain multiple bars. And I hold it until bars moved above MA5. Simple way, when bars below MA5, MA5 downtrend, it is bearish trend. When bars above MA5, it is bullish trend. And if you see, when all moving averages downtrend, it is bearish trend. When all moving averages uptrend, like 5, 10, and 20 uptrend, it is bullish trend. As of now, USA dollar DXY bullish because last bar above all moving averages. MA5 did bullish crossover, it is bullish trend, right? On daily time frame for DXY, for USA dollar. Let's see weekly what's going on. Weekly, it's like 5 weeks in a row. Let me maximize it a little bit because it is small. Okay, now it's bigger and still nice picture from the top, right? A buy signal from the script, and remember, on weekly time frame I don't trade on the weekly time frame. For swing trading I'm using daily time frame and or 4 hours time frame, not weekly. I do monitor weekly, monthly, but I don't trade. Buy signal from the script, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and last bar moved above all moving averages. It is very positive, very bullish for USA dollar. Straight bull run for last 5 weeks. All indicators bullish. Dollar is bullish. It's negative for equities, remember. Negative for indexes. Dollar is bullish on weekly time frame, on daily time frame also. Now let's move to Qs. Let's start Qs. Weekly time frame, right? Qs. What we observe, sell signal from the script, MA5 green line, ready for bearish crossover over 10. Last bar closed already below MA5 and 10. Still above 20. Technically, like I always told you, it is bearish crossover on all indicators already, but it's not confirmed because confirmed bearish crossover when bars and moving averages 5 and 10 below 20. In that case, it will be fully bearish crossover, very confirmed. As of now, all indicators did bearish crossover, and it is bearish reversal signal. Just signal, not trend yet. If I show you daily, on daily we have confirmed bearish reversal. You see, MA5, 10 and bars below 20, and now 25 and 10 downhill. It is confirmed bearish trend on daily time frame on all indicators. Now let's go back to weekly. On weekly, MA5 already changed direction from uptrend to downtrend. MA10 also changing direction from the uptrend to flat. Same 20 did from uptrend direction to flat direction, not downtrend yet. For it is just bearish reversal signal. It can touch the MA20 and can bounce from it like it did here. Look at it. It touched 20 and bounced from it. It was exactly the same, right? Touched 20 and bounced from it. But when MA5 and 10 will move below 20, it will be fully confirmed bearish trend. So far it is negative signal, but it is just signal, not trend. Let's move to SPX, but it's already, yeah, let me go back, I'm sorry to jump. Let me go back to Qs, right? Qs was straight bull run since January for last 8 months. Straight bull run. It did MA5 did bullish crossover. It never did bearish reversal. From this point, from January 2023, MA5 did bullish crossover. Let me show you now this bullish crossover. This is the bullish crossover. Green, right? It's for us. It's even on weekly time frame you can trade. It was entry position, right? Here, when Qs was $278. If you hold it, now it's a bearish reversal signal, right? It's a $370, $370. $100 profit, straight bull run even on weekly time frame. Now we received bearish reversal signal. It is red circle, right? Bearish reversal signal on weekly time frame on all indicators, not one indicator. Like I told you, I like when all indicators align in the same trend direction. Sell signal from the script, MA5 bearish crossover, MACD bearish crossover, Fibonacci changed color from green to red, and RSI did bearish crossover. It is fully confirmed bearish reversal signal. Let me show you. Bearish crossover and bearish crossover on Fibonacci and RSI. That's what we're observing, right? It is definitely bearish reversal signal. We'll see next week what will happen. Will it touch 20 and bounce it, or it will continue bearish trend? Now we can move to SPX. SPX, similar story. It did bullish crossover not from January, from April. Last bullish crossover from April, right? It is green circle. It's just today is more educational, right? Green circle, bullish crossover, buy signal from April. And now it didn't make bearish crossover yet for last 3 weeks. It did sell signal. Now it's in a bearish reversal signal. Possible, right? And it touched 20. At the same time, it can bounce from 20, or it will do bearish reversal. Let me add new bearish crossover on MACD, right? On MACD we already have MACD already has bearish crossover. Red circle. Bearish crossover on all indicators. That's what we are observing. Bearish crossover. MA5 didn't confirm, but it's ready for it. Now let's see what's going on daily. Daily, yeah, it kind of it doesn't show very well on different time frames. Let me move it. Yeah, on daily it started here, right? Bearish crossover beginning of the August 2nd, bearish crossover on all indicators. On RSI it was over here also. Same on MACD, it was over here. Bearish crossover. Bearish crossover and confirmed bearish reversal signal because MA5 and 10 already on bars did bearish crossover over 20. On daily, it is fully confirmed bearish reversal signal. On weekly, it's not confirmed yet, just bearish reversal signal. Now let's move to Dow Jones. Let Dow Jones start also daily. Let's see what's going on daily. Daily, it also did receive bearish crossover, right? Bearish crossover on all indicators, and moving averages in MA5 and bars moved below 20. It's a fully confirmed bearish reversal signal. All moving averages, they change direction from uptrend, uphill, to downhill, right? Look at it, they all downtrend now. Bearish trend, confirmed bearish trend on daily time frame for Dow Jones. On weekly, let's see what's going on weekly. On weekly, nothing changed. Actually, nothing changed. It's a first red bar. Sell signal from the script. We received sell signal from the script on weekly. Last bar, it touched SMA 20, yellow line. SMA 20, now it's a strong support. It was strong support here. It was strong support for several weeks. For several weeks it did touch 20, and each time it did bounce from it. And last week it bounced also from it. Will it continue? Will it bounce and go forward? Or it will continue bearish reversal signal. So far, MACD green bullish, Fibonacci red still bullish. I would consider still bullish because it's about 20. It's still bullish. Nothing. No bearish reversal confirmation yet on weekly time frame. On daily, it is definitely fully bearish reversal confirmed trend for Dow Jones. IWM, let's start IWM. IWM very weak, right? Very negative. Sell signal from the script. MA5 green line did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. Last bar closed and stopped at SMA 200. It closed a little bit lower SMA 200. We consider it as a stop at SMA 200. SMA 200 can be strong support, especially last bar disconnected from MA5, 10 and 20, can bounce, and RSI in oversold territory. Usually it bounces from this oversold territory. It is daily time frame, right? And on weekly time frame, it's different picture. Sell signal from the script 3 weeks in a row. It was red. It was red 3 weeks. It was red 3 weeks. Sell signal. MA5 still about 10. Didn't make bearish reversal crossover yet. Last bar closed at SMA 200 also. Below 20, but SMA 200. SMA 200 can be strong support. We'll see if it can handle that support. It can bounce from it, or it can continue bearish reversal. We don't know yet. It is still at the support level. Very important. We'll see what will happen next few weeks. Will it stop? Will it go sideways? Will it continue bearish crossover? We don't know yet on weekly time frame yet. But we received sell signal previous week. Sell signal. Like I said, on weekly it's not confirmed yet, not as a bearish reversal, but on daily it's a fully confirmed bearish trend, right? Now let's move to Apple. Apple daily time frame. Similar bearish crossover. You see red circle on all indicators. Last bar below all moving averages. All moving averages did bearish crossover over 20. Bearish location, bearish territory, bearish trend. Even RSI in oversold territory. And it has even built some bullish divergences on RSI. Looks like Apple wants to have some bounce. So far, still bearish trend. Let's see. It left gap down. Maybe it will bounce and close this gap. We'll never know. Let's move weekly. Weekly, let's see what's going on weekly. Weekly, very also interesting story. It's not positive anymore. Let's see when it was bullish crossover last time. Over here, right? Let's change it to green. This green circle, buy signal from the script. I'm sorry. It's my fully confirmed bullish crossover. Over. When MA5 green line did bullish crossover over 10, it's a bullish crossover. Entry point. It started from the January also, from the January 2023. 8 months also straight bull run without any corrections. It is first correction for last 8 months. MA5 did bearish crossover. MA5 did bearish crossover. Look at it. MA5 did bearish crossover. Over 10. And even last bar, 3 weeks in a row, red bars, and last bar closed below 20. It is negative territory. Negative territory. It's confirmed bearish crossover in MACD. Also over here, right? It's red. And confirmed bearish crossover on Heikanaichi and RSI. Bearish crossover on all indicators. It's because bar move below 20, it is very negative, very negative. We need MA5 and 10 bring below 20, it will be fully bearish, confirmed bearish trend. So far, it's a bearish reversal signal, confirmed bearish reversal signal on all indicators. That's how I like when all indicators align in the same trend direction. And remember, Apple, it's a main driver for Qs and S&P 500. It's one of the 7 largest corporations in the world. Technology corporation there. And Apple, the biggest and largest company in the world. It was on the top over here, it was $3 trillion company. $3 trillion. Now it definitely changed. From $200, it moved already to $170. Minus $30, it is minus 15% from the top. 15% from the top. Right? It's already kind of like minus 400 billion. How simple it is. Minus 400 billion. At the same time, nothing happened. Nothing critical. It is definitely bearish reversal. Okay, let's move to Tesla. Let's start Tesla. Let's start daily, right? Tesla did bearish crossover beginning of the not even in July, right? In July, it left gap down, and it did bearish crossover. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and moved below 20. Fully confirmed bearish reversal signal, bearish trend because MA5, 10 and bars below 20. Last bar disconnected from MA5, 10 and 20. Bearish trend on all indicators, RSI in oversold territory. Oversold territory, bearish trend on daily time frame. Can bounce because it's oversold and disconnected from moving averages. Definitely can bounce. Let's see weekly. Weekly, it is same bearish crossover. Look at it. Bearish crossover, MA5 did over MA10. Last bar closed below 20. Bearish reversal signal on all indicators for Tesla on weekly time frame. On daily and weekly also. Weekly also bearish crossover. Look at it. Bearish reversal signal on all indicators. Now let's move. Yeah, bearish reversal signal. It left huge gap below. We'll see. It will continue. It has the next stop around this level. It actually touched this level, right? Around $200, around SMA 200. That's the next stop and the gap below. And I believe it can test it. It can do double bottom also. $100. It can do double bottom. We'll see. If it's going to touch 200 and bounce from it, it will be lower high. It means it will be will continue bullish trend. Let's not do guesses. So far, it's a bearish reversal. Okay, Nvidia. Let's start Nvidia daily, right? Nvidia daily still in the fight mode. Bars moved below 20 in the bearish territory. MA5 did bullish crossover. It is below 20, still bearish. It's bearish last bar below all moving averages except 200. It is bearish, but still fight mode between bulls and bears. Nothing dramatically happened yet. Still bullish. Okay, still kind of in the bearish territory. Bearish reversal, not bullish anymore. Because it's below 20. When it's below 20, for me it's already bearish. Not bullish anymore. On weekly time frame, it's already gave us bearish reversal signal. Look at it. Sell signal from the script. MA5 ready for bearish crossover. MACD did bearish crossover. Right? I'm sorry. And Heikanachi also an RSI did bearish crossover. Bearish reversal signal, still last bar and moving averages above 20. Definitely it is still bullish territory, but it's already gave us some bearish reversal signal. Be careful. It's also last bullish crossover was from the January 2023. It was bullish. It is bullish for last 8 months straight. Even started from October, right? But let's consider from the last bullish crossover. It is first bearish crossover that we received for last 8 months on weekly time frame for Nvidia. It's a bearish reversal signal. Microsoft, let's start Microsoft daily. Bearish trend, confirm bearish trend, bearish crossover. MA5 did bearish crossover beginning of the end of July. Bearish reversal signal and bearish confirmed trend. MA5, 10 and 20, MA5 and 10 and bars below 20. It is bearish trend on all indicators, right? And the same it did for the MACD, for RSI. Weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, it is different story. Let me show you. It did bearish crossover on weekly time frame also. Last bar closed below 20. All indicators, they did bearish crossover, right? bearish crossover on all indicators, bearish reversal signal. Last bar below 20, SMA 20, MA5 and 10 still above 20, but it is already confirmed bearish reversal signal for Microsoft on weekly time frame. Amazon, let's start Amazon, let's do daily. Daily, MA5 did bearish crossover, right? 3 days ago. Bearish reversal signal, and last bar already moved below SMA 20. It is bearish reversal, confirmed bearish reversal signal. Same bearish reversal signal on all indicators, right? Bearish crossover, bearish reversal signal on daily time frame. On weekly time frame, it is still bullish. MA5 and bars still above 200. It closed below 200, but MA5 still above 200. Still positive, still bullish on moving averages, still bullish on MACD, on RSI. Heikin changed color to red. But nothing dramatically happened on my Amazon. It's still positive. The only negative because MA20 below 200. It is still in the bearish territory. MA20 is still in the bearish territory. It is negative for Microsoft. But signal still positive on weekly time frame for Amazon. Weekly it is still positive. Remember, on daily it's already negative. It's already in bearish reversal signal. Let's move to BABA, Alibaba Group, daily time frame. Also, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, bearish reversal signal on all indicators. Indeed, recently, right? Bearish crossover. Bearish reversal signal confirmed bearish trend because last bar below 200, MA5 below 200 also. It is bearish territory, bearish location, bearish reversal. Weekly time frame. All moving averages below 200 for a long time. It is still in the bearish territory, still in the bearish location. Sell signal in last bar close below all moving averages. It is negative territory, bearish trend for BABA. That's all from my side. Let's do summary. Like I told you already, all equities, all indexes from my watch list, they all bearish daily, and they already gave us bearish reversal signal on weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, it's already bearish reversal signal. It's not a positive signal. It is definitely a negative signal on weekly time frame. Be careful. And you see weekly time frame, let's see what's going on. Yeah, Q's already minus 2% on weekly. But on monthly, it's minus 7.5% for Q's. Let's see S&P 500. Weekly minus 2% and monthly minus 4.25%. Dow Jones, weekly minus 1.75% and monthly same. Dow Jones more positive. IWM definitely negative. Weekly minus 3% and monthly minus 6%. That's what we have. And let's check Apple also. I want to check Apple. Let me bring Apple, right? Weekly 1 week minus 1.5% and monthly minus 9.5%, almost 10%. Monthly minus almost 10%. That's what we observe. Be careful because all, like I told you, every time, every day, every daily review. I do follow the trend. I don't fight with the trend. I don't pray. I don't guess. I just follow. Market changed direction. For last 8 months, it was bullish. I was bullish too. Was no discussion. Now it is change direction to bearish. I don't want to fight with the stream. I don't want to fight with the market. It is in a bearish direction. Bearish reversal direction, right? What should we do? Just follow the market. Don't fight with the market. It can bounce. Yes, it can try to bounce, but it is already break the bearish reversal signal. It can bounce. It make another week green, maybe 1-2 weeks green. I don't think so, but because of the all confirmation, all red bar, it can be next week. It can be green. Same bar, same green color, same size, green color. That's absolutely fine. Nothing will happen. Okay, that's all. That's all from my side. Let's move as usually to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading simulator as long as we need to get constantly profitable at least for 6 months. Now let's move to... Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes and cryptos. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye traders.